Hi everyone, I wanted to show you a couple of new things in the admin console since Ignite that are related to Copilot. And the first one I'm going to mention here is in the center. So I'm logged into admin.cloud.microsoft. If you're familiar with that, I have to be logged in as an admin to get to here. The first thing that they've got is join the Frontier program. So the Frontier program is where you're going to get all the latest initiatives from Microsoft. Think of it like preview. You have to click join and go through this joining process. What they're really looking here for is businesses with 300 users or above, and with that many Copilot licenses too. And so you probably won't get into the program, but you can at least try and see what Microsoft does. You should have at least a business premium or E5 license, and that's going to give you the best chance of getting into the program. From an administration perspective, you're going to see this new agents menu item here in the admin center. And what it's going to do is going to show you all the agents that are available within your environment. Before, you had no visibility into the agents in the environment. Every agent now has an identity. So you'll find agents in Entra now too. Just like a regular user account, agents are going to have identities too. So that way, when agents are talking to agents, when you get to that point, they'll be able to verify the identity of the agent communications and lock agents together so they can communicate with each other. You'll also notice in settings here, there's some brand new settings. Allowed agent types. So for example, if you want to restrict it to just Microsoft agents only, you can do that now. Sharing, who can share agents within your organization, templates, and then user access, who has access to agents. So there's some controls in here administratively that you can utilize now. Let's see what else we got here in settings. Yeah, that's primarily it. And yeah, just join the program. So that's what this is all about. In Copilot, not much has changed here, other than you're going to find more usage data in here, so you can see what your users are doing and how they're using it. I've just got a couple of users in this tenant, just as an example, but it allows you to see what's going on. There's also some settings and controls in here, so I recommend going through these. There's data access, there's Copilot actions, so there's a whole bunch of different settings in here that you should go and look through to understand what they are and how they work. I'm not going to take the time to do that, but feel free to go through these, and if you have any questions, let me know. The other thing you'll see once you join the Frontier program, or you start to get into the Frontier program, when you're in documents like Word and Excel, they released an agent for Excel not too long ago. They switched from skills to agents. Basically, agents are within these programs allow you to modify content. And before it was all handled in the right-hand pane. Now you'll actually be able to modify the content directly in the document. That's what's coming. If you're not licensed for Copilot, if you don't have a license, then what you will be able to do here soon, I'm not sure it's available to everyone yet, but what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to work on the document that you're in. So instead of sending it up to ChatGPT, you can leave it here and leave it in the security of the Microsoft cloud, and you'll be able to work with the document. It won't allow you to get access to the rest of the Graph API, the rest of the data and the storage that you have in your Microsoft 365 tenant, but it will allow you to work in this document. So that's going to allow a little more broader Copilot adoption and getting people using Copilot. So hopefully it'll entice businesses to purchase more Copilot licenses. To get access to agents within a document, you hit the little menu here, and then you can click all agents and then type for an agent. If I just type the word Frontier here, which is that new program I was talking about, you can start to see all these new Frontier agents are coming in. If I type in Word, I can click on this agent, I can open it, but I'm pretty sure I cannot use it yet. Let's give it a try and see what happens. See if it'll actually work here. Probably give me an admin error message. Agent due to your organization's policy. So it's not available to me yet, but you'll get the idea. This is how these agents are going to work. You have to call for them specifically. That's not part of chat. Chat is still chat. But to work with these new agents, you're going to have to go select the agent within the application you're in, and then it will take you into it. So there's some of the quick highlights. Again, go look at the book of news. that's out here, and there's all this information that you can find about what's going on, and like introducing agents here. It'll tell you all about what they are and how they all work. So go do a little bit of reading on this. Like I said, it's not going to be available to everyone right away. It's still releasing, but some of these features are rolling out right now. Like I showed you the administration console. So if you're an admin, definitely go look at what's new in your console and go look at all those settings. So hopefully you find this helpful, and have a great day.